Good morning, students. Now we continue our lecture 3 on the topic past adjustment or adjustment in closed account. In previous two classes, we had understood what is the meaning of past adjustment or adjustment in closed account and how the workings are to be shown and how to pass the entry. And there are too many questions on different concepts and different kinds of problems. So we continue with the lecture 3 also. Now you can see. So yeah, in last class, so far we had studied excess of interest on capital had been allowed, and some in some question we had studied when interest on capital has been allowed less than agreed rate. But this is something else. This question is based on when 2 years error of interest on capital. This means continually from last 2 years they did mistakes. What kind of mistakes? You can see by the question. Here it is saying after the accounts of partnership have been drawn up, means after the accounts of partnership have been drawn up and the books closed up, it is discovered that for the years 31st March 2016 and 2017, interest has been credited to the partners upon their capital at 5% per annum, although no provision for interest is made in the partnership deed. Now, this is clear to all of you. The partners has been provided interest on capital at 5% continuously last 2 years on their capital. Even in the partnership deed, it was not mentioned. There was no any agreement regarding the interest on capital. So this means what they should do. Actually, whatever the net profit firm has earned in last 2 years, they should distribute without giving the interest on capital. But they have done, first they have given interest on capital, then remaining amount they have distributed. This means this interest amount has not been distributed in their profit sharing ratio. Okay. So in this question, how to solve? So the amounts involved are year 2016, 2017. Partner A, partner B, partner C interest has been credited already. जबकि partnership date में नहीं लिखा है देने के लिए. So 2016, A has got interest 4,200 and in 17 4,320 and B has got in 16 2,400 and 2,520 in 17. C has got interest 1320 in both year. Okay, you are required to put through adjusting entry as on 1st April 2017. If profits were shared as follows in 2016, the ratio is 2 is to 1 is to 2, and in 2017, the ratio is 3 is to 4 is to 3. Right. So here you can see one more problem is here. In 2016 they were dividing in other ratio and 2017 they were dividing in other ratio. Suppose that in both years they would be dividing in the same ratio, so it would be more easier. But here 2 years having the different ratio. So I think just try to understand first of all the question, what is written here, what you have to do. So just I want to ask from you people just your perception, what you will people do for this question. So now we continue the solution. You can see. So here it is saying in this question, interest on capital had been allowed earlier continuously past 2 years, but it was not allowed in the agreement. So therefore, we need to take back interest from the partners, and these interest should be distributed as share of profit in the ratio of that 2 years separately, because both year ratio is changed If ratio remains same in both year, we distribute total interest together in 1 year. But here, the both year, the proportion of sharing the profit is changing. So every year's total of interest would be divided in the respective year's ratio. Okay. Now see the table showing adjustment. Here is the particulars, partner A, partner B, partner C, and last column is for total. So first, profit already distributed as, already we had distributed in the form of interest on capital, which should not be done. So 2016, 4200, 2400, 1320. 7920 is total. And for 2017, 4320, 2520, 1320, total 8160. So this is given in the question itself. We have not calculated this amount because already have been given. So this total amount to be debited, as these were credited earlier wrongly. They have, by mistake, they have credited to the partner, so we need to take back. So to take back, we need to debit. So A's total amount should be debit 8520, B's 4920, and C's total amount 2640, and final total aggregate of ABC is 16080. Okay, this means this 16080 is the net effect which has not been distributed among the partner in last 2 years in the profit sharing ratio. So how is to be distributed? Let's see here. Profit should be distributed as in 2016 in the ratio of 2:1:2. So 2016's total profit is 7920. Okay, you can see 7920. We divide is it into 2:1:2. So 3168, 1584, 3168. Right? Now again in 2017 we divide the total 8160 in the ratio of 3:4:3 because as given in the question, both ratio. So 2442, 3264, 2448. Okay. So now we do total of this distribution. This is the correct distribution. Profit should be distributed as, the total is coming of A 5616. These total share is coming 4848, and C's total share is coming 5616, and total is 16080. This is just total equal to this. Okay, you can see. So now this amount should be credited because we had not credited earlier. Actually, so this amount should be credited. So if we are crediting, so A should get this amount, B should get this amount, C should get this amount. And by mistake, we had distributed this, so we have to take back. Now, this amount has been debited and this amount has been credited. So now we will calculate the net effect. Net effect. You can see first of A. A's total is 8520 debit and total of 5616 credit. So here debit is more, means he has got more. How much? 2904. So 8520 में से minus करेंगे 5616. So you will get 2904. It will be debit because debit side is more. Likewise, this total is 4920 and here total is 4848. So difference will be 7272 debit because debit side is more. And now C's total is 2640 debit and 5616 credit. So if we are taking difference of these two, 5616 and 2640, so we are getting 2976 credit because credit side is more. Okay, now by this table you can understand which partner should be debited to pass the rectifying entry. A and B will be debited and C will be credited. Sum of the debit must be equal to sum of the credit always. So you can see, just I am going for the journal entry. You can see rectifying entry. A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit, and date for the rectifying 1st April because in the beginning of the next year always rectification would be done. So to C's capital. So A's debit is 2904, B's debit is 72, and C 2976. You can add sum of the debit must be equal to sum of the credit. So rectification of interest on capital made through capital account. I think it should be clear to all of you. So just for next question. Yes
सर 1 मिनट ये क्वेश्चन दिखा दीजिएगा सर, स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें.
So We are moving for the next question. This is the next question. When only interest on drawing has been omitted, only interest on drawing has been omitted. अभी तक क्या था कि आप इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल बाय मिस्टेक दे दिए थे, एक्सेस इंटरेस्ट आपने चार्ज कर लिया था, लेस इंटरेस्ट चार्ज किया था, और अब यहाँ भी क्या है कि जब केवल इंटरेस्ट चार्ज करना था और वो भी भूल गए. So you see the question. X, Y, and Z are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:2:1. After the final accounts have been prepared, it was discovered that interest on drawing had not been taken into consideration. This means if they have omitted, the interest on drawings of partners amounted to rupees 2550, and for Y 1850, for Z 1000. Give the necessary adjusting entry. So interest on drawing calculation already has been given. Just you need to rectify it. It is just reverse concept. So question is clear to all of you. Interest on drawing is to be charged from the partners, but we have omitted before division of the profit. And when we have omitted this interest, this means that our divisible profit has been reduced by this amount and already have been reduced, so we have not distributed. So when this amount we take from the partners, our net profit will increase. So net profit will increase, so divisible profit also will increase by this amount, and hence to be divided or shared between the partners in their profit sharing ratio. So you see the question, everyone. The working note. See the working note. In this question, interest drawing already has been given. 255018501000. Total interest to be charged from the partners 5400, which already have been omitted. हम लोग पहले भूल चुके हैं, नहीं दिया, नहीं चार्ज किया था हम लोगों ने. Okay, it should be charged from the partners earlier before division of profit, but we have omitted. So now total amount of interest is coming 5400. Now you see this amount of rupees 5400 is an income, is an item of income for the firm. You must know, because interest on drawing is an income for the firm. It is an expenses for the partner. So ये income है firm का, और हम लोगों ने इसको रिसीव नहीं किया था पार्टनर से, तो इसका मतलब हमारा प्रॉफिट कम रह गया होगा. ठीक है, बट दिस हैज नॉट बीन रिकॉर्डेड इन द क्रेडिट साइड ऑफ पीएल एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट. जब हमने ये चार्ज ही नहीं किया पार्टनर से, तो पीएल एप्रोप्रिएशन के क्रेडिट में लिखा भी नहीं होगा, बिकॉज यू पीपल नोइंग दैट इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग इज टू बी क्रेडिटेड इन द पीएल एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट. ओके, तो पिछले साल हम लोगों ने इसे लिखा नहीं, जिसकी वजह से हमारा नेट प्रॉफिट कम दिखा रहा होगा इतने अमाउंट से. सो एज सच the profit of previous year will now be increased by this amount. So पहले नहीं लिया था, लेकिन अब हम इसे लेंगे, ये इंटरेस्ट उनसे चार्ज करेंगे, तो प्रीवियस ईयर का प्रॉफिट हमारा इस अमाउंट से बढ़ जाएगा. Hence this profit of rupees 5400 will be shared by the partners in their profit sharing ratio of 3:2:1, which amounts to rupees 2700, 1800 to and was at 900. So when we calculate, we do calculate 5400 in 3:2:1. So this amount will come out. Okay. So you all are getting interest on drawing हमने पिछले साल चार्ज नहीं किया था. Due to that reason, our net profit has not been increased, but now we are charging. We are rectifying our omission, our error. So if we are rectifying, so this amount we should take from the partners. This will increase our previous year profit, and hence this 5400 will be shared between the partner in 3:1. Okay, which was not done earlier. So now let me do solution. Here table showing adjustment. So interest on drawing, it's to be debited from the partners because we have omitted. So 2550, 1850, 1000, total 5400. So this 5400 should be credited between the partners in the ratio of 3:2:1, जो कि हमने पिछले साल नहीं किए थे, क्योंकि हमने ये चार्ज ही नहीं किया था, इसलिए ये बटा भी नहीं रहा होगा. अब चार्ज कर रहे हैं हम उनसे, ये पैसा हमारे पास आएगा और इस अमाउंट को 3:1 में पार्टनर्स के बीच में शेयर करेंगे तो पार्टनर्स का कैपिटल ऐड होगा 2700, 1800, 900, टोटल 5400, तो ये ऐड हो जाएगा। तो जब ये ऐड होगा तो अब डिफरेंस निकालने की इंटरेस्ट और कैपिटल से वी हैव टू डेबिट पार्टनर्स कैपिटल और शेयर ऑफ प्रॉफिट से क्रेडिट करना है, तो नेट इफेक्ट चेक कर लो। तो 2550 आपका डेबिट है, 2700 क्रेडिट है एक्स का, सो क्रेडिट में आएगा 150 बिकॉज क्रेडिट साइड इज मोर एंड likewise wise 1850 is debit and 1800 is credit, so 50 rupees is debit more and 100 rupees 1000 rupees is debit of Z and 900 is credit of Z, so 100 should be debit. So credit is 150, debit Y and Z 50 and 100, so you can see the journal entry. So Y's capital account debit by rupees 50 and Z capital account debit by rupees 100 and to X capital rupees 150. So adjustment in respect of interest on drawing omitted in previous year's account. I think this question is clear to all of you. Is there any confusion? So this is the question. It is very important question. You can see 10 minutes are left. So within 10 minutes we have to finish this question. After that we will continue in tomorrow in the next class, means day after tomorrow. So the net profit of the firm, now read it and take the screenshot also if you wish. The net profit of the firm for the year ended 31st March 2017 was rupees 30,000. Net profit was how much? 30,000, which has been duly distributed amongst its three partners A, B, and C in their agreed proportion of 3:1:1 respectively. Their profit sharing ratio was 3:1:1. Okay, and this 30,000 has been divided between the partners. It was discovered on 10th April 2017. Okay, on 31st March they have divided this closing date, but in the beginning of the next year, this next accounting period on 10th April, that the under mentioned transactions were not passed through the books of accounts of the firm for the year ended 31st March 2017, which is still duly closed on that date. उस कह रहा है कि before dividing this 30,000, these under mentioned transaction we did not do, हम लोगों ने नहीं किया. So क्या क्या था वो under mentioned transaction? Now see, interest on capital at 10% per annum, interest on drawings for A this amount, this and this, salary rupees 5,000 to A and rupees 7,500 to B, and commission due to A on special transaction rupees 3,000. The capital accounts of partners were rupees 25,000, 20,000 and 15,000. You are required to suggest a journal entry to be passed on 10th April 2017, which will not affect the profit and loss appropriation account of the firm for the year ended 31st March 2017. It means that we do not prepare again PL appropriation, just we have to rectify by passing a single adjusting entry as we had done in previous question. And at the same time, we will rectify the position of the partners. So now question is clear. Before dividing 30,000, we should give interest on capital, interest on drawing should be charged, salary should be given, salary and commission. But we have not done this. Directly we had divided the 30,000 rupees in 3:1:1. So total appropriation was wrong, but appropriation was only wrong, not divisible profit. Proportion of divisible profit is same. Here nothing mentioned ki share of profit is also wrong. So only we will rectify for those items which has been omitted, A, B, C and D, and the capital is given for to calculate interest only. So let me see. So here table showing adjustment. First of all, we need to calculate interest on capital. So 10% would be 25,000, 2,500. Likewise 2,000 and 1,500. We have calculated 10% interest on their capital invested. Okay, total interest is coming 6,000. So we have omitted this, so now we will give to the partner, so it should be credited to partner's capital account. Now salary is to be given only A and B, 5,000 and 7,500. So salary is also income for the partner, so ये भी क्रेडिट होगा क्योंकि पहले हम लोगों ने दिया नहीं था, भूल गया तो अब देना है, इससे उनका कैपिटल ऐड होगा, क्रेडिट. Commission is to be given to A only for a special transaction, 3,000. So ये भी C के A के लिए क्या है, ये इनकम है, तो A का कैपिटल अमाउंट क्रेडिट होगा. So यहाँ टोटल 5 + 7 5 12,500 और then 3,000. तो टोटल इधर आ रहा है, टोटल कॉलम 21,500 और ए का टोटल आ रहा है 10,500, बी का आ रहा है 9,500 और सी का 1,500. लेकिन बट वी हैव yet to record one thing more, interest on drawing, and you people are knowing that interest on drawing is an expenses for the partner, so we will subtract. So less interest on drawing, it should be debit. 350 is given for A, 250 is given for B, 150 is given for C. We don't need to calculate, everything is given in the question, and 750 is coming up total. Okay, so we minus the final total is coming 20,750 is the net effect, and C's total amount is coming 1350,9250 for B and 10150 for C. So this total amount कौन सा बैलेंस आ रहा है यहाँ, अब देखो यहाँ 3 क्रेडिट है, 3 क्रेडिट है और 1 डेबिट है. So credit amount is more and debit is less, तो difference क्या होगा, क्रेडिट होगा यहाँ. Okay, so this is credit, and now this 20,750 is the total effect. So this amount should be distributed between the partner, sorry, already distributed between the partner, because if we have not given interest on capital, salary, commission, and we have not charged, so this total amount we should give to the partner in this way, 10,150, 9,250 and 1,350. But earlier we had not given. So what we had done earlier, so this 20,750 we have divided between the partner in this ratio. So in this ratio we have to take back from the partner. Okay, so this 20,750 if we are calculating in 311, so this amount is coming 12450, 4150, 4150. Okay, so when this amount is coming, so compare it. This amount should be debit because already we have distributed, and this amount should be credit because we have not given. So now compare it to calculate net effect. So 2,300 is coming debit of A because debit side is more, 12,000, and credit is 10. Now B's credit is 9,250, debit is 4,150. So balance would be 5,100 credit because credit side is more. And for C 1,350 is credit and 4,150 is debit. So debit side is more. So we will write in debit. So now it is clear that A's capital account will be debit, C's capital account will be debit by this much, and B's capital account should be credit. So you can see here in front of you, adjustment entry on 10th April, transaction would be done. A's capital account debit, C's capital account debit, and to B's capital. So that's it. So आज के लिए इतना, बाकी हम लोग कल नेक्स्ट क्लास कंटिन्यू करेंगे. और आज आप लोगों से जो भी कुछ